Okay, gentlemen. So we will start now exercise 2.4 and the same chapter polynomial. So now what the question says? Question is saying that determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Okay. So we need to find the value of x first for what we are going to find as a factor. Okay. So what I told you, just simply put x plus 1 is equal to 0 and you will be getting what? You will be getting a value x equal to minus 1. Now this x equal to minus 1 we are going to place in the polynomial in place of x. If after putting the value of minus 1 in this polynomial we are getting 0, the value 0, remainder 0, then it will become a factor, otherwise it is not. Let us check it first. Okay, so our px is given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now what we will be doing? We will be putting the value of x equal to minus 1. Say. So minus 1 we have put it. So here minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 and plus 1. So here you are getting minus 1. Here you are getting plus 1, here you are getting minus 1 and here you are getting plus 1. Now you see minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 all has got cancelled. So it is a factor. It has become 0. Okay. So our remainder. So it is just an extension. What we are doing here, we are utilizing factor theorem. Factor theorem. Okay, so in that factor theorem, it is just an extension of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. In remainder theorem, we were finding the remainder. Okay, whether it is 0 remainder or any other remainder were there. Now, in factor theorem, if remainder is becoming 0, then only it will be a factor. Okay, so in this case, what you can say? You can say that yes, x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial of px. Understood? Okay. Now we will be solving fourth one. Let us see. Okay, second one also will solve, no problem. Okay, let us see whether it is a factor or not. So x to the power 4 plus x to the power cube plus x to the power square and plus x plus 1. Now again we will be putting the value of p is equal to minus 1, p minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 to the power cube plus minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 and plus 1. So it is giving you minus 1 to the power 4. Bharat, what it will be? Minus 1 to the power 4.
Plus 1 sir, minus 1 sir.
1 minus 1
plus 1
plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 got cancelled, 1 minus 1 got cancelled and we got remainder 1. In this case the remainder is not 0. Okay. So we will be writing x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial px. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, right. So just note it down. We will solve another two also. Note it down. Noted? Okay, right, very good. Right. Now we will go for third one. So again px is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Again we are going to put the value of x is equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 to the power cube plus 3 into minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, tell me minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1, very good. And minus 1 to the power cube minus 1 into 3, minus 3, very good. Minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, so in 1 into 3 plus 3. Okay, here minus 1, so minus 1 only and plus 1. So here minus 1 plus 1 has got cancelled. 3 minus 3 has got cancelled. Left with again 1. Remainder has become 1. So therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of polynomial px. Okay. Now last one we will do. Fourth one also. So px is given to us as x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Okay.
Minus 1 plus root 2, sir.
Okay. So minus 1 to the power cube minus 1 to the power square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 and plus root 2. Now see here. So minus 1 to the power cube minus 1. Minus 1 to the power square plus 1. So minus 1. Here minus and minus will become plus. Okay. And plus 1 into 2 plus root 2 will give you 2 plus root 2 only. And here plus 2. Okay. So now what you have got? Minus 1, minus 2 and plus 2. So 0. Okay. Now here what we have got? 2 root 2. Again it is not equal to 0. Therefore what? X plus 1 is not a factor. Is not a factor of px. Understood?